Hi everyone, this is Sai Kiran. So as most of the students are having Infosys examination tomorrow, so I plan to solve one previous question paper, recently posted one. So this will be a mock. So we all know that Infosys will be giving you 10 questions in quantitative ability. So I'll be solving you one of the paper. Okay. So mostly the questions in examinations would be following the pattern of previous questions only. So as we have 1 day of time, we will be solving this. Okay. So now coming to the first question. At the end of a party, 8 people present at the party all shake their hands with each other once. How many handshakes will be possible, he asked. See, actually handshakes can be, there is a formula for that, but I'll be using permutations and combinations. See here, there is A, you think A, B and C. For example, there are 3 people in a party, so there are 3 people. Handshake means A will give handshake to B, and then A will give to C, and then B will give to C. These are the 3 handshakes possible. See, if you take AB, you should not take BA. Okay, am I correct or not? If there are 3 people, 3 handshakes are possible. If there are 2 people, 2 handshakes only will be possible. Okay, so this can I tell that if A is giving to B and B, we should not consider B giving to A. So we should not arrange them. Okay, arrangement is not possible, so it is nothing but if there are, for handshake we need at least 2 people, so take 2 slots. Okay, for handshake we need at least 2 people to, so we are taking 2 slots. So how many people are there totally? Fill that here, 3. Next, how many people are there? 2. By this is not permutation, this is combination. Okay, combination means we will not be taking interchanging. So combination means we will divide with slot number. So how many are there? 3. Okay, so you can take number of handshakes. Number of handshakes is nothing but we should always select. We should always select if there are n people, you think there are n number of people. So number of handshakes will always be, see, from n people, how many people are required to do handshake? 2 people. So it is NC2. Okay, so NC2 is, how many people are there here? 8 people. So 8C2. So don't go for enemy formulas, take slots. So 2 slots. So how many people are there for me? 8 people now. So 8. Next 7. So divide with the slot number 1 and 2. So 1s and 4s. Okay, 4 7s, how much? 28 handshakes are possible. That's it. Okay, next. So for most of the students of mine, I have given shortcut and how we should be taking also. Next, in how many ways can a team of 5 players be formed from 8 players so that as not to include a particular player, he told. See, first I'll tell you, see, from 8 members, if I want to select 5 members, see here, from 8 members, if I want to select 2 members, 8C2. From 3 members, if I want to select 2 people, 3C2. Here, 8 members, 5 people I should select, so 8C5. This should be the answer if this point is not included. Okay, if not to include a particular player, it means that one player is excluded. Am I correct? If one player is excluded, so what I should do now? I should be selecting how many members? 5 members. From how many members? Select 5 members. 5 members from remaining 7 members. That's it. So this can be written as 7C5. So this is nothing but 7C2. Okay. So NCR equal to NCN minus R. I have given all the shortcuts in the class. So now fill this with this number. So 7, 6, and then slot number is 1 and 2. So 1s and 3s. So how many ways I can form the team? 21 ways I can form the team. Even if you take 7C5 also, you will get the same answer. Okay. Next. A 150-meter long train running at an average speed of 52 kilometers per hour. So length of the train is 150 meters. Speed of the train is 52 kilometer per hour. So and it is crossing a man moving in the same direction. Speed of man is 7 kilometer per hour. See, these two people are moving in the same direction. When both are moving in the same direction, relative speed will be what? Modulus of difference between their speeds. Am I correct? Difference between their speeds. So relative speed of these two people would be, relative speed is nothing but 52 minus 7, that is 45 kilometer per hour. And then length of the train is 150 kilometers per hour. So we should be finding the time in which it is going to cross. Am I correct? Time equal to what? Distance equal to speed into time. No, from the time equal to what? Distance by speed. But here we have more than one people, so we should be taking relative speed. So distance is 150. So this 45, but this is in kilometer per hour, this is in meters. So what I should do? I should be taking, I should convert this into meters per second. So ones, so 9 2s and 9 5s. So can I write it as 150 by 25 by 2, that is 150 into 2 by 25. Okay, so 1s and 6. So it is how many seconds? 12 seconds. That's it. Okay, simple. Next one. So this is very simple. Find the remainder when 7 power 8 plus 3 is divided by 6. See, what is 7 power 1? 7. 7 square is 49. 7 cube is what? 343. Am I correct or not? You should be good with your powers. So you should always be good with your powers. So next, 7 power 4 is what? 7 power 4 is 2401. See, similarly, if you go with 7 power 8, 7 power 8 is nothing but multiple of this. It will be at last 01. Okay, so 7 power 8 plus 3 would be like something 01 plus 3. So at last you would be having 04. Am I correct or not? Last two digits will be 04. So 04 divided by 6 will give you a remainder of how much? 4. This would be the remainder. Am I correct? Remainder is 4. That's it. Okay. Next. See, if a and b are roots of x square minus 2x plus 2 equal to 0, then the equation whose roots are 3 times he is asking. See, first I'll tell you the general way, but I'll not follow that procedure. The general way I'll be telling. See, f of x is equal to what? X square minus 2x plus 2 equal to 0 he gave. 2x plus 2 equal to 0. See, he want to find out for this roots are roots equal to a comma b. A comma b. See, now I should find out new equation. New roots would be, how much it seems? New roots would be 3a comma 3b. So general way is that first we should find out roots for this. Okay, so by using whatever method you like, partial fraction method or any shortcut, whatever you like, and then multiply that with 3 and then substitute it in x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. This is one way of doing. Okay, here alpha is nothing but this one, beta is this one. This is one way of doing. I don't like to go by this way, so I'll give you a shortcut. In the class I have already given you. See, if f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then k times of this should be the roots. Then it would be f of x by k equal to 0. Why I should be taking and all I explained in the class. K more means what I told in the class itself. F of x minus k equal to 0 you should do. K less means you should be doing f of x plus k equal to 0 you should be doing. Okay. So now here f of x is equal to what for us? F of x is nothing but, so f of x is what? X square minus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. This is f of x. Now 3 times he is saying. 3 times means what I should do? So f of x by 3 we should find out. So that would be, in x place you put x by 3 minus 2 into x by 3 plus 2 equal to 0. So this would become x square by 9 minus 2x by 3 plus 2 equal to 0. So if you take LCM 9, so this is x square minus 2 into 3x plus 2 into 9 equal to 0. So from this, can I conclude that answer is nothing but x square minus 6x plus 18 equal to 0? I'll bring this 9 this side, it will become 0. So x here, sorry, options are wrong. So you take x. Okay. So here it should be x square minus 6x plus 18 equal to 0, B. Okay. So you remember this chart. You remember this one. Okay. So if he gives you k times, take opposite of times. Times means multiple will do. When it comes this side, it will become multiplied. More means generally we'll add. So you take subtract. Less means will subtract, but you take opposite of that. Okay. Next one. A good costs rupees 12,000. A customer choose either of the pairs of successive discounts, can choose. So there are two options for him to choose. Pair A consists of successive discounts 20% and 30%, and pair B consists of 40% and 10%. Customer X choose A and customer Y choose B. So what is the difference between their payments? See, there are two people now. See, cost price of this is 12,000. So this fellow A, and there is a person called X, and there is a person called Y. Okay, this fellow choose two successive discounts of 20% and 30%, and this fellow choose successive discount of 40% and 10%. Okay, so here 12,000 is the actually selling price of that owner, and this will be the cost price of this fellow X. So again 12,000, here whatever comes, that will be the cost price. This is, suppose, X cost price, and here Y cost price will be there, you think. He is asking you to tell difference between these two. Okay, I don't recommend to go by that way. See why? It is too calculative. For 12,000 you should twice calculate and do. What I'll do now, I'll assume that cost price is 100. So first, when pattern A goes, first discount is 20%, so 80. Now again 30% from the successive discount, no, so minus 24. So suppose, so he should be paying here how much? 56 rupees. Okay, 56% of something, 56% of that 12,000 is the cost price of X. Okay, X has to pay this. Now coming to Y pattern, what happens? This fellow 40% discount, so 60. Next again from this 10%. 10% is how much? Minus 6. So 54. 54% of 12,000 will be the amount paid by Y. Okay, now what is the difference between these two amounts? Can I directly tell that it is how much? So difference here is how much? So difference is equal to 2%. 2% of how much? 12,000. 1% is how much? 10% is 1200. 1% is 120. So 2% will be how much? 240. That's it. Simple. Okay. Next one. See, there are n members in a family. So n members in a family whose ages are 24, 21 and 18 and so on. It forms an AP. So AP it is forming. So 24, 21, 18 and so on like this. What is the difference here? 3. Again difference is 3. He's saying that it is going to form an arithmetic progression. Okay, so and then sum of n terms is how much? 78 it seems. We don't know how many people are there. I'll assume that there are n people, so Sn equal to 78. And then which is the first term here? First term I'll take it as A, that is 24. And then difference is how much? 3. Every time it is getting decreased 3. So in an AP of descending order, right? So sum of n terms in AP will be n by 2 into 2a plus n. There is a shortcut for this in the class I have explained. So but if I use this, you cannot, I mean if I tell now, you cannot be able to understand. So substitute in this. So n by 2 into 2 into 24 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. So how much is it? So this would be like 3n square. So this is 48, that it will come outside and it will get cancelled now. 3n square minus 51n plus 156 equal to 0. See, this can I write as 3, I will take common, n square minus 17n plus 52 equal to 0. So what are the roots now? So n minus 4 and 3 you can take now, that's it. So 52 minus 17 should come. So what is this? Minus 13 minus 4. So minus 13 into minus 4 is plus 52. Minus 13 plus minus 4 is minus 17. So minus 13 by 1 minus 4 by 1. So n in minus 1, n minus 13 is equal to 0. So roots are n equal to 4 or 13. So answer should be both A and B. Okay, it can be either 4 or 13. Okay, that's it. Simple. Next, a towel was 40 centimeters broad and 90 centimeters long. When bleached, it was found to have lost 20% of its length and 40% of its breadth. The percentage decrease in area. See, generally, first what people will do now, area of rectangle, towel will be 40 into 90. So they'll find out that it is 36,000. Again, they'll decrease length, they'll decrease breadth, and then final area, and then percentage change they'll do. That is not required. I don't want to go by this and all. See, area of rectangle equal to what? L into B. Length decreased by 20%, breadth decreased by 10%. So I want to find change in area. So in which I want to find out change, that I'll assume as 100. Okay, so I am assuming area as 100 initially. Length decreased, no? So decreased 20%. So 20% is minus 20. So you'll have 80. Again, breadth decreased how much? 10%. So 10% is minus 8. So final area would be 72. So now from here to here, how much it decreased? 28% decrease. This is our answer. Okay, 28% decrease. Okay, suppose length increased, you think, so 20%, so 120. Breadth decreased, you think, 10%, so minus 12. So this is 108, like this. Whatever he gives, that you apply, that's it. Okay, order is not required, anyway you can apply, you'll get the same answer. No need of going for this. Okay, simple. Okay, next. 4 horses are tied one to each corner of a square. So we have a square. So we are having a square. So 4 horses are tied. So at this corner, and this corner, and this corner. So square rope, length of the rope is how much? 7 centimeters. So length of the rope. See, suppose horse is here, you think. So horse will graze like this, and here also, see, suppose, so this is how much? Half, no? So I'll be writing clearly here. 1 second. See here. I'll take another color. See, 7 will be just exact half. See, total is 14, right? Side of square is 14. 7 will be exact half. So here also it will be half. So here also it will be half. And here also it will be half. So horse is tied here. So horse will graze till here. So and here also it will graze till here. Here also like this it will graze. And then here also it will be grazing like this. See, what is the ungrazed field he is asking? Ungrazed field means we have 4 semicircles here. So what is a semicircle? So this is a circle, you think. See, if you take like this, so this is a semicircle, right? Am I correct? So 4 semicircles is equal to a single circle. So this will be the ungrazed area. Ungrazed area. Can I tell that ungrazed equal to area of square minus area of circle. See here, area of circle. What is radius of circle? R is nothing but 7 centimeters. So what is area of square? 4 into 14 minus pi into 7 square. That's it. Am I correct or not? So this is nothing but 56 minus 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. So this and this will get cancelled. At last what you will get? See. So how much you are getting? Sorry, this is s square, right? 14 square. So 14 square minus 14 square is how much? 196, right? 196 minus 22 into 7, 140, 154. So this is 140, 154. So how much you are getting? So this is 42 square centimeters. See, this is s square. This is pi r square. Okay, understood? So this is one of the previous papers of Infosys, that too recent one. So I have solved questions from that. So if you find any papers, you try to solve that. You just go through the solutions. Mostly you will get at least 40% of the questions from previous question papers. Thank you everyone. Have a great day. All the best for your examination. So don't panic. Solve the examination paper with confidence and accuracy. All the best.